Good morning, guys. Let me show you the new video of Canada. Like last week, I posted a reel that next week will be too much snow, and it's overnight snow from the night, and I'm gonna show you. The visibility is like see, the visibility is almost nothing. And I don't know. I have shift today because in this week I just got this shift, so I don't want to lose it. And also I am not going by bus. I will use the public transit, and yeah, so I'm going to bus stops. You can see how much snow till my, like, it's maybe 30 centimeters. Now I arrived in bus, but snow is in my shoes. But I got double socks. Like, I bring socks with me in emergency.